Sling bags are an absolute must-have in every wardrobe. Hi guys, I'm Anagha and today I'll show you how I styled this one from Eden and Ivy. So let's get started. This sling bag will quickly become your favorite. It comes in a color block pattern with a combination of nude and pastel pink shades which make it look super stylish and chic. It has a single compartment and a zip closure. It's spacious enough to hold all your essentials. It's the perfect companion for a girl's day out or for parties where you don't have to carry around too much on you. Moreover, the sleek design will match all your outfits effortlessly.
Break it.
I'm sure you'll love this bag as much as I did.